If you are trading crypto manually and still feel stressed, emotional, or unsure about your decisions, this video is for you. Because the real reason most traders lose money is not lack of knowledge, it's lack of discipline. And that's exactly why KuCoin Trading Bots exist. What is a KuCoin Trading Bot and why IT matters? A KuCoin Trading Bot is an automated system built directly into the KuCoin exchange that executes trades based on predefined rules. It runs 24/7, follows logic instead of emotions, and never hesitates. While human traders panic, hesitate, or overthink, a bot simply executes the strategy exactly as planned. Why most manual traders fail? Most traders don't fail because they don't understand the market. They fail because emotions always interfere. Fear makes you sell too early. Greed makes you chase pumps. Fatigue makes you miss opportunities. Over time, even small emotional mistakes add up. This is why having a system is more important than having predictions. And a trading bot is simply a system that enforces discipline. Why KuCoin Trading Bots are different? KuCoin Trading Bots are built directly into the exchange, which means you don't need external software. AP is coding skills or monthly subscriptions. Everything is already there. You choose a bot, configure it, and launch it within minutes. This makes KuCoin one of the most beginner-friendly platforms for automated crypto trading. Types of KuCoin Trading Bots you need to know. KuCoin offers multiple types of trading bots designed for different market conditions. Spot grid bots are used to buy low and sell high within a price range, taking advantage of volatility. Futures grid bots work similarly but allow long and short positions with leverage. Infinity grid bots are designed for strong uptrends where price keeps making higher highs. DCA bots help reduce risk by spreading entries over time. Smart rebalance bots maintain a target portfolio allocation automatically. Each bot has a specific purpose, and understanding when to use each one is more important than simply turning a bot on. Why grid trading is so popular on KuCoin? Grid trading works especially well in crypto because markets are naturally volatile. Instead of trying to predict direction, grid bots profit from price movement itself. When price goes down, the bot buys. When price goes up, the bot sells. This removes the need for perfect timing and reduces emotional decision-making. Many traders fail because they try to be right. Grid bots focus on being consistent. Auto mode vs AI mode vs custom mode. KuCoin allows you to launch bots using auto mode, AI mode, or custom mode. Auto mode uses historical data to suggest settings quickly. AI mode dynamically adjusts grid parameters based on market volatility. Custom mode gives you full control to manually set price ranges and grid levels. Beginners usually start with auto or AI, while experienced traders prefer custom setups for tighter control. Who should use KuCoin Trading Bots? KuCoin Trading Bots are ideal for traders who want consistency without staring at charts all day. If you have a full-time job, run a business, or simply want a more systematic approach, bots can help reduce stress and improve execution. However, bots are not magic. They are tools that require understanding and proper risk management. Common mistakes that make KuCoin Trading Bots lose money. Most people lose money with KuCoin Trading Bots not because the bots are bad, but because they use them incorrectly. One of the biggest mistakes is choosing the wrong market conditions. Grid bots are not designed for strong one-directional moves without pullbacks. Another common mistake is using too much capital or leverage too quickly. Many users also stop bots too early because they panic during temporary drawdowns, destroying the long-term logic of the strategy. Why risk management matters more than the bot? A trading bot does not replace risk management. It enforces execution, not safety. You must decide how much capital to allocate, which trading pairs to use, and how much risk you are willing to accept. Smart traders always start small, test performance, and scale gradually. Using stop-loss settings, avoiding over-leverage, and diversifying strategies are what separate long-term survivors from gamblers. When you should not use KuCoin Trading Bots, there are situations where using a trading bot is not recommended. During extreme market crashes or highly trending moves without retracements, grid bots may struggle. If you do not understand the strategy behind the bot you are using, you should not deploy it. Bots work best when you treat them as tools within a broader trading plan, not as a replacement for thinking. How to think like a systematic trader. Successful bot users think in probabilities, not predictions. They accept that losses are part of the process. They focus on consistency instead of excitement. A trading bot helps you follow rules, but discipline still comes from you. The moment you interfere emotionally, you remove the biggest advantage automation provides. Why KuCoin is a strong platform for bot trading. KuCoin offers a wide variety of built-in bots, a user-friendly interface, and flexible strategy options. Because bots are integrated directly into the exchange, execution is fast and setup is simple. This makes KuCoin a strong choice for traders who want automation without unnecessary complexity or high subscription costs. How to get fee cashback and welcome bonus on KuCoin if you plan to use KuCoin Trading Bots. Reducing fees can significantly improve long-term performance. You can sign up using the referral link in the video description and enter the referral code cashback50. This gives you up to 35% fee cashback on both spot and futures trading, plus a welcome bonus of up to $11,000. These incentives lower your trading costs and give you more flexibility as you start. Final thoughts before you start. KuCoin Trading Bots are not shortcuts to guaranteed profit. They are tools designed to remove emotion and enforce discipline. If you understand how they work, manage risk properly, and stay consistent, they can be a powerful addition to your crypto strategy. If you treat them like gambling machines, they will punish you just like manual trading. If you want to try KuCoin Trading Bots yourself, click the registration link in the description and use the referral code, cashback50, to unlock up to 35% fee cashback on spot and futures trading and a welcome bonus up to $11,000. Start small, learn the system, and let automation work for you instead of against you. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe for more practical crypto automation guides and systematic trading content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.